Hi, I'm Max Gunawan. I'm an architect, entrepreneur, creator of Light, and I've lived in San Francisco for almost 12 years. One of the things that I love about San Francisco is how it transforms every night into a citywide gallery of light. Come on, let's check it out.
With light, I love that it's magical, it's elusive, it's ephemeral. I had done 5 or 6 shows at a gallery, and I wondered to myself, did I really need the gallery?
Wow, so why San Francisco?
It's sort of like, you are what you eat, you know, that expression, and an artist is what he culturally eats.
I mean, one of the questions we like to mess around with is what does a digital space look like physically? And I mean, in San Francisco seems like a perfect playground for that in a lot of ways. Murmur Wall is basically what San Francisco is looking for. It takes local trending search terms. We take those keywords, filter that through the system, and that's actually the little data ants or the little blue lights that you see sort of coursing through it.
So, can you help me decode it?
Basically the blue, or the kind of cyan, are the search terms. And so they have a little gradient of like a dark blue to a light blue based on like how popular or how trending they are. So basically whispers are something that people can add in real time. Go to like murmurwall.net and you can just enter the whisper right there, and within a few seconds you can see it start to course through.
This community was first established as Butcher Town. The butchers were pushed from the downtown area out here at the edge of the city.
So tell me more about the design itself.
The green represents a heron. The blue recognizes the seabirds, again from the Pacific Flight Zone. The red represents Butcher Town, the meaning behind Bayview Rise. It's supposed to inspire that the community can rise up again, and it is rising up again.
It's based on a vision that I imagined that Enrico Caruso had at the moment he was awakened on the morning of the earthquake in 1906.
Enrico Caruso was the most famous tenor that ever lived. So the grand piano, it was a sign of culture, you know, and just like today, the sign of culture might be that you have an iPhone.
The piano is a kind of reference to this legacy of technology in this area.
And new technology at that time was sound recording. So the lights are programmed to the original sound recordings of Enrico Caruso that you can actually hear in the area if you tune into 90.9 FM on your radio.
But one of my favorite places to listen to it is with a handheld transistor radio underneath the piece. It's like being under a beautiful wave of light and sound.
Tonight we saw some amazing light art, but there's so much more. San Francisco has over 27 light installations, and from Thanksgiving throughout New Year's Day, anyone can enjoy walks, tours, artist talks as part of Illuminate SF Festival of Lights.